7-segment displays are used to display numbers 0 to 9, and certain alphabets, like C, A, H, P, etc. They are made up of 8 LED segments. 7 of these LED segments are in the shape of a line, whereas one segment is in the shape of a dot. Each of the 8 elements has a pin associated with it, which can be driven high or low. To display any number or alphabet, we need to turn on specific LED segments of the display. In this video, we will learn how to use a 7-segment display with Arduino. Here is the connection diagram of this project. We have connected a black wire with the ground pin of 7-segment display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. 7 other pins of 7-segment display are connected with the pin 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 of Arduino. This is the code of this project. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, in this project, we will give high or low signal to the pins connected with 7-segment display. So we need to make these pins an output pin. We will make pin number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 of Arduino an output pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. 7-segment display has 8 LEDs inside it and have a specific pin for each LED. To display any number, we need to give a high signal to some of its pins and low signal to the other pins. Now let's have a close look at the combination of the signals required to display any number. To display a 0 on the 7-segment display, we will make pin number 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7 high, and give a low signal to the pin number 6 of Arduino. To display 1 on the 7-segment display, we will make pin number 11 and 10 high, and give a low signal to the pin number 12, 9, 8, 7, and 6 of Arduino. Similarly, we can print the other numbers like 2, 3, 4, etc. on the 7-segment display. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. First of all, we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and solder it with the ground pin of 7-segment display. Now we'll solder a black wire with another end of the resistor. Now we will insert purple, red, green, and blue wires at one side, and orange, brown, and yellow wires at another side of the 7-segment display. Now we will connect the 7-segment display with our Arduino hardware board. Connect the red, purple, yellow, brown, orange, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. We can see 7-segment display is printing the numbers from 0 to 9, one by one, as written in the code. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.